Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants clay. Begin by conditioning your polymer clay until it is soft and pliable, then roll thin layers for lamination. Stack and fold the layers to build flakiness, chill between folds to keep edges sharp, and trim triangles for shaping. Use a blade to score dough lines and add surface texture with a toothpick, then bake according to manufacturer's temperature and time recommendations. When shaping clay croissants, work with slightly chilled layers to maintain structure. Keep your base width consistent so each roll bakes into a uniform shape, and gently stretch tips as you roll to achieve a natural taper. Curl the ends under and press lightly to seal, then refine the curve with your fingertips. Add small surface cracks and a seam line for added realism before any final baking or sealing steps. Coloring croissant clay is about subtle layers and gentle shading. Start with a pale base color, then blend in mid-golden tones for the middle bake and add tiny dark spots for toasted edges. Apply powdered pigments lightly with a soft brush to achieve gradient transitions that mimic real pastry browning. Finish with a thin satin varnish to suggest a slight sheen, and avoid high gloss unless you want an exaggerated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.